All right, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching as always. Before I get into the video, I just want to say I have a $25 Bitcoin giveaway going on. Check out the details of that giveaway in the description of that video. As always, if you have a comment or question or anything that you'd like to add about this project, please feel free to do so in the comment section, as well as if you have any project you want me to look into to GPU mine, please, again, leave it in the comment section. And as always, please subscribe, like, and share. I'm just getting the channel going, so I appreciate that very much. So today I want to talk about ImageCoin and how to mine it. I'm on their webpage, imagecoin.imagehosty.com, and I'll leave that link in the description of this video. The scalable, decentralized digital currency shaping the future. Cryptocurrency utility coin, Image gives users the benefit of being both a cryptocurrency and utility coin, allowing users to transact directly in Image for day-to-day use or enjoy its utility in multiple partnered projects, such as Image Cash. Calculable percentage based on proof of work rewards. Image holders can stake their coins to help secure the network. The more Image you are staking, the higher the block reward received. Holders will be able to stake their coins in their wallets on IMG or with our multiple partnered pools. Fast and scalable transactions. As Image uses proof of work consensus, it is highly scalable. The target rate of updating the transaction blocks is 60 seconds, which enables transactions to be confirmed 10 times faster than Bitcoin. Here's a link to their white paper. I'm not going to get into the technical aspects of the project. I'm just doing a brief overview for mining tutorial purposes. So check that out if you're interested in the project. You want to delve a little bit deeper into it. So why ImageCoin? Privacy. Cryptocurrency that is designed for transaction privacy. Data, person-to-person or P2P. Transactions. IMG is able to convert any picture into a digital form to facilitate image sending. IMG claims to store the picture on the blockchain. Platforms that feature Image. Trade, hold, stake, or monitor Image on any of the following platforms, and here are the links to those platforms here. Here's the roadmap, ImageCoin network launch, mobile app, increase size data, and website. You can check that out when you get a chance. ImageCoin allows you to send private images, private messages, and private data in blockchain. ImageCoin is an experimental new digital currency that enables anonymous instant payments to anyone, anywhere in the world. Sign images. ImageCoin uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority. Managing transactions and issuing money are carried out collectively by the network. ImageCoin Core is the name of the open source software which enables the use of this currency. And they have some information about the wallet here. They have Windows, Core, Linux, and Mac, and it looks like they have an iOS app and an Android app. I did the Windows Core wallet. Feel free to choose the one that corresponds to your liking. Looks like they have a paper wallet and a web wallet. And this is the link to their GitHub. There's some IMG info. Download the latest wallet here. Get IMG from any supported exchange and transfer your coins to your wallet to start using Image. Transact and stake. Start using Image for transactions within multiple platforms or stake your ImageCoin in your wallet to secure the network and earn rewards. Here are the coin specs. ImageCoin IMG is the ticker. Proof of work, 60-second blocks. Required for a masternode is 10,000. So you can run a masternode if you want. They're saying the current return is 75.75%. Max supply is 21 million. It's saying the US dollar price is 14 cents right now. Market cap is almost 1.2 million. And volume is 2,236,518. And here is a link for get image. If you want to get it, again, it brings you back to these links where you can buy it. So let's go to their Bitcoin talk, which I have up here. Sometimes you can find out some more information. So here's a video here, send and decode image video and the explanation. And you can check that out when you want. It explains the process of how you're sending something, an image, how it's transformed digitally, and how the other person would receive it. So when you get a chance, you can check that out. As right now, I'm gonna move on. I do want to go back to the Bitcoin talk for very quickly, 1 second here. Total supply, 21 million. ImageCoin and Image Cache are the forked coins of Dash. The mining mode is DGW Dark Gravity, or it's called X11 algorithm, Wave Difficulty Random Adjustment Mode. The project has achieved the generation of any picture into a digital pattern, theoretically making it possible to search for specific images. Among them, IMG keeps the picture on the blockchain. IMGC is used to buy and sell the tokens of these pictures and has strong practicability. Project developers master Dash technology wallet integration can also join their own products. Together to optimize the combination, beyond the category of forked currency, various aspects of technology is more appropriate. As of February 19th, 2019, the market value of both was about 20,000. Link to the white paper again. Here are the specs, 21 million. Here's the algorithm, X11, 60-second block times. And some links to the Discord, Telegram, Facebook. Some links that weren't listed on their website. There's some masternode statistics, service. If you're interested in running a masternode, some information there. There are the links to the exchanges, masternode setup guide, and pools, F2 pool, which I'm going to be using. And that's it. So let's move on to F2 pool. Here I'm on ImageCoin, and here's the pool address here. And as you can see, the algorithm is X11. So let's go to Simplemining. As you can see, I'm currently mining ImageCoin successfully. I'm getting shares, as you can see. So let's go to group config. And here you can see I'm mining ImageCoin. And here's the command line, pretty simple. Dash A is the algorithm, which is going to be X11. Dash O is your mining pool address, which you can copy and paste from F2 pool. The port is 4400. And dash U is going to be your wallet address. That's mine. You want to replace mine with yours, of course. Dash P is the password, which is just X. I'm using ccminer, CUDA 9.1. So you're going to go to add group. You're going to go down to ccminer, which is right here. You're going to put your command line here, cut and paste it. Group name, again, I put the name of the project, the group description. I usually do the miner in the pool name. So here you go down to show more information, and it'll show you that it covers X11 right here. It's also known as Darkcoin. Let's go back to rig list. So I have not overclocked it for this specific project, as I'm doing how to mine videos every day. So you want to overclock it to your specifications and at your own risk. I'm using my overclock settings that I usually use for the algorithm Blake2B. That's why it says that. But nonetheless, as you can see, I'm getting shares here and the algorithm is working. And the command line is working. So if there's anything else, you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. If you have a project you want me to look into, again, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. And one last time, I am having that $25 Bitcoin giveaway. Feel free to enter. It's free. Details of that in the description of my giveaway video. And I hope this helps. I hope this gets you up and running quickly. And let me know, what do you think of the project? Have you heard of the project? Are you thinking about mining it? Or have you mined it in the past? Let me know. I'd appreciate it. And until next time.